This is how you're going to add a QR code to Apple Wallet from a photo. First, you will need an app that can turn your QR code into a pass Apple Wallet understands. So one of the easiest option is an app called Pass to You Wallet, which you can download for free from the App Store. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to head over to the App Store and then search for the Pass to You Wallet, which looks like this, and then you're going to install it on your iPhone. Now, once installed, you're going to hit on Open. And then once the app is finally open, you're just going to tap the plus icon to create a new pass or to create your first pass. You will now then be asked to choose the type of pass you want, like a coupon, event ticket, or loyalty card. Just pick whichever option fits best, and then this just helps organize your passes inside the Apple Wallet. Now, you can create a pass by getting a barcode from an image, and this is what we're going to need in order for us to add a QR code to Apple Wallet from a photo. So let's just click on that, and then once you click on that, this will let you import a QR code directly from your camera roll. You can now choose the photo that has your QR code, and the app will automatically read and convert it into a digital pass. So for example, we're going to use this one, although this is not an official barcode, but what you're going to do is you're just going to click on that, and then you're going to hit on confirm, and then this will serve as your new pass. Now you're going to select a style for your new pass. For example, you want it to be generic, event ticket 1, event ticket 2, and so on and so forth. So for example, this is a generic pass. So let's just click on that. And then once that's done, you can edit the look of your pass, and then that's it. You will need to fill in a few details to label your pass, like a name, organization, or expiration information. And when everything looks right, just tap on done and then choose add to Apple Wallet. Now your QR code is saved directly in Wallet, ready to use without digging through your photos. And that's it. That is how you're going to add a QR code to Apple Wallet from a photo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.